I've been flying drones for several years now, and since day one I have been on a constant hunt to learn how to capture the best possible images. From flying the first Mavic Pro and the original Phantom to now using the Mavic 3 Cine. A lot has changed, but the skill and tools needed stay the same. I have found that there aren't really any magical ways of improving your captures. Most of the work is done by learning how to utilize the drone's fullest potential and in knowing how to frame your shots to tell the best stories. But still, there are tools that I use to help me capture the best possible images. For drones, it's a simple tool, but one that is often overlooked by many or given too much weight by others. Today, we're talking about ND filters, but normal ND filters don't quite do the job for me. The only effect a good ND filter has is reducing the light coming into your sensor and thereby allowing you to reduce the shutter speed. Nothing more. But the filters I use, they combine the ND filter parts with polarizing effects, which is a whole other ball game, for me at least. I use the freewheel filters every time I fly my Mavic 3 Cine or Mini 3 Pro. These filters help me reduce glare from reflections, increase contrast in the sky, but also in foliage. As a guy who loves to capture vivid scenes of green jungle or beautiful seascapes, these filters are amazing. The question is there really an effect to these filters, or am I just talking bullshit? Let's test it out. Did you manage to see the difference? Did you spot which clip was which? I kept the settings the same for each clip, so nothing is different except for the ND filter. To me, there's a clear winner. You can see it in the sky details and you can see it in the foliage. But as I've said, there's no magical way of making your images better. It's all in the framing and how you capture and how you fly your drone. There's nothing magical about these filters except for the fact that they polarize the light coming into your sensor. So it brings out more details some places. They don't do wonders and it's not a huge difference, but they are cheaper than the original filters, and they're such a high quality, and I love this. I just love it. Like, it just looks smooth, and you can put your original filter in here. They have every strength of ND you want, and they have two ND filters that are non-polarizer, but they are ND 2000 and ND 1000. So I'm going to show you some cool things with those in a later video. So if you want your images to really pop, and I know we love and hate to use that word, but if you want your images to really pop and your drone footage to stand out, then these filters from Freewheel are your best choice. Never hesitate to invest in good filters for your drone. These filters will be your best friend on every adventure. I have left a link to the filters below here, and if you like this video, then now is the time to give it a thumbs up. Those are completely free and they help me a lot. And if you want to know one of the main reasons why I decided to buy polarizing filters for my drone, then checking out this video where I deep dive into the theme of drone hyperlapses and talk about everything I know about it, please do so. You'll learn a lot. Everything I do, how I think, how I plan, everything is in there. And that's it. Thank you for watching the whole video. I really appreciate you for watching the whole thing through. That's amazing. Thank you. It means a lot to me. And if you want to see more, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.